Welcome back, guys. It is day 2. We're here hunting it in the morning, and the birds are back on the water again. We just left the decoys up last night, getting in the A-frames. Hopefully it happens just like it did last night. And we got a little more wind this morning, so this should be working a little bit better. Last night we had 0 wind, so the socks are moving, got a little more movement. I think it's setting up to be a good morning. Stay tuned. Oh, shoot. Are we gonna cut him? Let's rip him. Heck yeah! He's got 2 at a time.
Alright. Look at that.
That is a dog right there.
Get it, boy, Creed! Oh.
Is there a gray one? Yeah.
Holy mother of God. You're not, or your dink's failing me good.
Oh. Is there a gray one? Yeah.
Holy mother of God. You're not, or your dink's failing me good. Can you shoot these ones?
No.
Yeah, we're gonna shoot these.
Okay, yeah, this one's close. Wait for a minute.
Pick up!
Two shots.
Creed, come back here! to shoot.
Oh,
Get up, get up. I got him.
yeah.
Kill him! That's pretty good shoot.
Oh,
Get up, get up!
I heard take him if you want.
Yep. Shoot him, Marky. Oh, yeah.
One shot wonder.
That's right.
Did I?
Yep.
Shoot him, Marky.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you guys for tuning in to another episode of Cooley. We ended up with 99 birds in 2 days. They didn't work super good this morning. It started landing down there in another field below us. But we've got a few groups to come in, a lot of singles, and we had 2 big groups come in, and it was fun. Wind helped out a lot. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next episode.
Don't matter.